Hello friends, a very good evening to everybody. In today's video, we are going to see some tips to grow watermelon plant. So come, let's go into the video. So the tip number 1 we are going to see is about seeds. So you can collect the seeds from the fruit which you buy in the market itself. From that fruit itself, you can collect the seed and sow it in your garden. The plants will grow really very healthy. So the next tip number 2 we are going to see is about pot size. So the medium size pot you can choose like this, and grow bag size means you can choose 15 cross 15, that will be suitable. So tip number 3 we are going to see is about fertilizer. So monthly once you can give one handful of vermicompost and dry leaf compost, kitchen waste compost, and liquid fertilizers and all you can give regularly. It is very good for your plant. And mulching also you can give to your watermelon plant if you are growing it in the summer season. So the next thing we are going to see is about the area where to keep your watermelon plant. This is very very important. So if you are having a big terrace or a big balcony like mine, you can grow watermelon plant very easily. So the plant can creep all over where it gets space easily. So the next thing we are going to see in this same tip is that if you have a square sized pot like this, you can keep the watermelon plant in that so that the plant can creep inside itself. And this is the most advised method. So for example, if you see you keep in a pot like this and all, the plant will definitely creep downwards only, and it will grow in the cement floor only. So when the sun heat become more and more, the floor will also become heat. Then what will happen means it will affect the growth of your plant. So tip number 4 we are going to see is about pest attack. So the most common pest attack in your watermelon plant is mealybugs and worms. So for that you can try spraying neem oil regularly. It will definitely control. Or for example, if you see any worm in your watermelon plant, you just take that worm and throw it away far from your garden. So what will these worms do means it will eat the leaf of your watermelon plant. That's the major problem. So tip number 5 we are going to see is about flowers. So this watermelon plant produce two type of flower, male flower and female flower. Female flower only produces fruit. So if you see how to identify male flower means, behind the flower it will be very plain. So in female flower, behind the flower, a small fruit like structure will be there. So by that you can identify which is female flower and which is male flower. And at the starting, male flower will only come in your watermelon plant. So you may think my watermelon plant is flowering, but no fruit is coming. Like that you may think and get worried. No need to worry. This is the fact behind that. So this is the overall tips to grow your watermelon plant, friends. So thanks friends. Bye. Have a nice day.